Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is Cashew expense budget tracker and how can you use this application. So you can see the rating of the 4.9 out of 5, so it's an amazing rating, and 1000 people rate something about this app, and you can see 15 megabyte size of the app and 50k reviews, sorry, downloaded. It means 50,000 people already download this app or use this app. So if you really want to see what actually this app a finance tracker for you, like how much money you spend in your day-to-day life, you can see this thing, and monthly spending, and you can see groceries, shopping, dining. So how much money you spend, you can see this thing. Like for example, you can go to 150 US dollar, and you can check how much money you spend through the day, and we can monthly create a budget for you. So you can create monthly budget, annual budget, weekly budget, it depends on you. It's everything available, and you can customize the application. Like you can set the color, you can set the font, manage your subscription, you can also subscribe, keep your data safe and backed up. So it's really good and easy to use. A expense tracker designed for you. It's a finance app. If you really want to know more about this app, then go here and see visualize with clarity, understand your financial history. So everything is available here. The app is released 2023. It's not too much, it's only a few months ago. So simply tap on the install button. It takes few time to install and notifies. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.